So, you accidentally peeked at an Insta message during work and want to make sure it stays unread? No worries, I got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do just that straight from your iPhone. So let's dive in without wasting any time. First of all, you need to switch your personal account to a professional account. To do this, open up Instagram on your iPhone. Then, tap on your profile icon from the bottom bar. Next, tap the hamburger menu icon from the upper right corner of the screen. And select Settings and Privacy from here. Now, scroll down and find Account Type and Tools. Then, tap on it. Next, tap on Switch to Professional Account. Then, read through all of these messages and tap the Continue button. Next up, pick the option that best describes you from the list, whether you're an artist, a band, or a digital creator, and then just tap Done. Next, choose whether you are a creator or a business and tap the next button. And your personal account will be switched to a professional account. Now, just tap the cross button here and go back to the home page. Next, tap the inbox icon from the top right corner of the screen. Now, just swipe from right to left on the chat you want to unread and you will find the unread option. Now, just tap on it and that's it. The message will go back to being unread. So that's how you unread a message on Instagram from your iPhone. If the video proved to be useful, smash that like button. Interested in more Instagram hacks? Hit subscribe to stay in the loop because we have got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.